1. Nature exploration. From majestic mountains to serene beaches, traveling allows you to connect with nature in various forms. Witnessing diverse landscapes and ecosystems can foster a deep appreciation for the beauty and diversity of the natural world. 2. Personal growth. Traveling often involves stepping out of your comfort zone, facing new challenges, and adapting to unfamiliar environments. These experiences can contribute significantly to personal growth, resilience, and self-discovery. 3. Cultural diversity. Traveling allows you to immerse yourself in different cultures, traditions, and lifestyles. Experiencing diverse ways of life can broaden your perspective and enhance your understanding of the world. 4. Building connections. Traveling provides opportunities to meet people from different backgrounds and make meaningful connections. These connections can lead to lifelong friendships and a global network of contacts. 5. Escape and relaxation. Sometimes, people travel to escape the routine of daily life, relax, and rejuvenate. Discovering new places and experiencing different environments can be a therapeutic break from the ordinary.